Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing with the cilantro. Like I got a lot of cilantro. I got like some three packs of cilantro when I went to Walmart, and I don't plan to go for like few more weeks anywhere. So I was thinking what to do because cilantro, it gets bad very fast, but I need cilantro for like almost all my cooking. So but this is something I'm showing you guys that I do every time I get cilantro. What I do is I just like, because it has like moisture on it, water sprayed on it, I kind of put it on the newspaper, spread it out so that the moisture is gone. And once the moisture is gone, then I kind put them in those covers. I've kept those covers like, I made them inside out, the covers, so that the covers can dry too. And then I just put them back in those covers individually, like, yeah, like few in one pack, like that, the way I got it. Like I got them all in three different packs. So that's what I usually do whenever I get cilantro. This much of the cilantro I actually washed this right now, because this one I want to make that, I want to dry it. I want to dry it and try to do the flake and keep it. So that's why this much I actually washed this nicely under the sink, and I've kept it here so that it can dry out a little bit. And now that I'm going to go cook something, what I'm going to do is, when I keep the plate over it, I'm just going to keep this over it like that. That'll kind of like dry it, and then I can probably make flake. I don't know, I'm trying it first time, so I'm going to try to do that. So this is like to do instead of like actually drying it out in the sun or something. So this is how I've done. So I've just kept this on newspaper just to kind of dry it after washing, because I'm making powder. There's no way I'll wash again, right? Those things I kept in the fridge, it's fine, because whenever I'm going to take it out, I'm going to wash them and then use them. So that's fine. But for this, I completely washed it so that, once you make it powder, yeah, there's no way to go back. So guys, I was telling you guys like how I'm drying like some leaves. These are the curry leaves that I dried. Curry leaves dry very fast because I had kept them overnight, like outside to just dry after washing them. And then I kind of kept them over like my tea, when I was making some tea, and it very quickly it kind of dries. So I was able to like do the flakes. You can see there are like big flakes of leaves there. So this is like how much I got. I just had that many left, and I made it like a that leaf flakes, dry flakes, and I've kept them. Now I can like use it like whenever I want, so I don't have to worry about like it getting bad, and I can try to conserve it and use it, so I don't have to go and shop for it. So same thing I'm trying to do with the cilantro I was showing you the other day. So I'd kept it like a whole night. I just kept them outside. One pack I'd kept it out, so they're kind of, some of them are become a little bit that crispy, right? So that I can flake them, but there are still like some that are not. So I'll show you guys once I make the flakes, or once this like dries nicely, then I will show you guys the flakes. See this, it's still like a little bit not dried here, so that's why I'm trying to do that. I was showing you guys how I was drying this cilantro leaves over the water that was boiling. I just kept this plate over the water that was heating. So that's how it's dried now. So you can see that even though it's looking all green and everything, right, I'll be able to like crush it, because it's kind of become like crispy like that. So if you see, this is what I'm going to do and keep it. See that? Like I can totally like crush it. So that's how I'm going to like store it and keep now. And I'm going to probably try to keep this also in the fridge, but I'm going to put it in a bottle, but I can keep it out since it's like dry. So that's how you can preserve even the cilantro leaves, or any kind of leaves actually that you want to preserve. This is how you get it in the store sometimes, right? When you get the flakes like mint leaves or anything. So you can do that even at home like this. So this is without like drying in the sun. I've done this. So just by keeping it overnight outside, like on paper, just to get all the moisture out, after washing the cilantro, and then just kind of keeping it in some heat place. You can even keep it in your oven if you've used your oven for something. Then once you, so you can also keep in your oven if you used your oven for something. Then you can, like, once the oven is off, you can just keep the leaves there also to kind of dry them like this. So there you go, guys. So that is how you can do like flakes and keep. So this is what I'm going to do for this whole cilantro, and then put it in like a bottle and keep it. So thank you, guys. So that was another way to kind of save the leaves, whether it's your curry leaf or cilantro. Curry leaf I already showed you. I had very few curry leaves actually, but yeah, cilantro, this was like one bunch of cilantro, I think. So hope this helps you guys. Kept the cilantro powder inside this one. That's the cilantro powder. So I made it little nice, like little more crushed. And this, yeah, that's not a lemon peel, but I had lemon peel before this, but so it was finished. So I cleaned that bottle, and inside that I put this cilantro, and this is the curry leaf that I showed you guys. So this is the dried curry leaves now. So I have my two dried items that won't get bad that fast, so I can use the stuff in fridge first and then later use this later whenever I need. So they will last for longer right now. So now I feel like I want to take some more cilantro and dry it and put it, finish, like, fill this up here. So yeah, so that's another hack for you guys.